In today's first reading on this Wednesday of Easter week, we read that Peter has healed a man who was lame, who could not walk. What this says is that Peter had heard clearly Jesus' message about the reign of God, that God would reassert his authority over Israel and over the world. One of the characteristics, one of the signs that the reign of God is present is healing. When Jesus healed, and we know from the Gospels that he healed often, Jesus used the power of God to heal, which says that power should be used not to oppress, not to lord it over people, but to heal them. And that's what Jesus did. And so Peter is following Jesus' example in this first reading. He is using God's power not to lord it over, not to oppress, but to heal. Here again, we have an example of how Peter and how the early Christians moved from the celebration of resurrection and Easter to mission, to proclaiming through word and deed the good news of Jesus. That mission is ours as well. We are called to be healers, not necessarily to make someone who can't walk be able to walk again, but we're called to heal divisions in our community. We're called to heal divisions within our families. We're called to heal the wounds of loneliness and hurt and isolation whenever we can. And we're called to do this because this is our mission, because we are called to heal in the spirit of Easter.